Once you've logged into Google, you're ready to get started with Drive. To access Drive, you'll go to the right-hand side and find the icon for Google Apps. It's an array of 9 squares. Click on it and choose Drive. Google Drive will open up, and this is just like My Documents in Microsoft. One of the first things you want to do in getting started with My Drive is to go to Settings. Click on Settings, and the second choice, Convert Uploads. Make sure you check off Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. This will allow any document that you upload into Drive to be edited within Drive. That means that if you have a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet, you will be able to use the Google tools in order to edit it and revise it. Now, just looking over Google Drive, you'll see on the left the New button, and underneath there is My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, Google Photos, Starred, Trash, and it tells you also how much space you've already used. In Google Apps for Education, you have unlimited storage, so you don't have to worry about how much you've used so far. Google Drive makes it easy to organize folders and documents. In My Drive, you'll see all your folders, and within those folders are various documents that you've created. For example, in my grade 6 objectives, I have several files already started. When I want to create a new presentation for a class, maybe week 6, all I need to do is open the folder, and then I can click on New button and create a new Google Slides presentation. I can name it whatever I like. It's automatically titled Untitled Presentation. I can click on the name of it, where it says Untitled Presentation, and name it whatever I would like. Once I've named it, I can edit it however I want. This works in slides just like PowerPoint, so you can add pictures, subtitles, add slides, whatever you like. What's nice about this is that you don't have to save after each entry. You can choose from themes or anything else. If I close this week 7 slides, you'll notice that here it is. I can add or create a new document, a Google Doc, sheet, slide, or anything else in a folder in exactly the same way. I can name it however I like, and I can use it and go back to edit it as I choose. One thing that you'll notice is that the owner, anything that I create, I am always the owner. Same as in any document. You can have the option of sharing items. When you share an item, you can share it with any group of people that you choose by email addresses. So you would click on the item and then go up to share. I could share with others by email addresses or by names, and I can choose edit rights, commenting rights, or view rights. Depending on what you want with the document, that's how you would determine what you should do. If you have a document that's, say, a schedule that you want people to add their names to for a certain time, you may want to use Can Edit privileges. However, if you're sending out a document that has information on it that you do not want people to change, then Can View might be better. If you have a document that is Can View only, that means that you have editing rights only. Nobody else does. But they can make That person that you send it to can make a copy of it and then edit it as they choose. This way, the integrity of the original document remains, and you don't have to worry about anyone changing the content itself. We'll get into this a little bit more later. Another feature of Google Drive is the search feature. If you're looking for something that you saved in your files, you can search it. You can choose by PDFs or type of document, or if you have a file name that you're looking for, you can type it in and it'll give you suggestions on what it might be. So if you start out with 2016-17 as I did here, and then I'm looking for keyboarding assessments, I could find that file easily and it'll bring up that file for me. Going back to my drive, when you're organizing your folders, you can organize them so that they list the way you want them to. For example, I've used 2016-17 as the school year. That's the current school year. I can keep my older files separate and just name them New Year's each time. In addition, after the school year 2016-2017, I've used the letters A, B, C, D. This helps me separate files according to the building that I work in. So all my A files, 2016-17 A, are all Hill School documents. I have C as all buildings, and then D is special items. I don't have a whole lot of files for Stratton School right now, but they'll be my B's. I also change the colors. That helps me find things quicker. You can choose whatever type of organization you want for your files, just like you would have a binder or color coding for your files, your paper files. You can do that with your Google Drive files as well. I know that this is a really brief introduction to Google Drive. There's lots more you can do, but for right now, we'll stop here, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.